there's a way for you to be able to dissect the job description. And these are the steps. The first one is to analyze the key responsibilities. And by saying that, what I mean is you identify recurring themes to understand the core focus of the role. At the end of the day, what you want to ask yourself when you read the job description is, what exactly is this role going to be responsible for? Is it going to be generating clients? Is it going to be marketing by means of social media? Is it going to be analyzing performance? Right? What exactly would the core function of the role be? That's important for you to understand, because it's only by understanding that you get to align what you're going to present and what you're going to communicate when you're in an interview, so that those things actually make sense to the interviewer, those things resonate to the interviewer, and those things count as things that could help you get that internship. So for example, business development specialist. Have you heard of the term, that role, business development specialist? Not yet. So basically, business development specialist, for example, is someone who would have to generate leads. And by generating leads, we mean being able to identify particular individuals or maybe businesses that would be interested in buying from them, whether it's a product or a service. And then being able to contact those individuals, whether it's through calling them or reaching out to them via email or other means. And then after that, being able to set appointments, right? Being able to have a in-depth conversation with them so that you would be able to identify what their problem points are, and you'd be able to assess whether or not your product or your service actually addresses that problem or the need that they have. That's a business development specialist. Basically, they're looking for in sales what we call a hunter, because they need to hunt. They need to hunt for clients, clients who would be paying, clients who would be buying from them, and clients who would be adding up to that revenue. But on the other side, sometimes there's also what we call account management specialists. Account management specialists are farmers, meaning the client is already there. The client has already been generated, but the main function or the main focus is to be able to sustain the relationships. How? By understanding exactly what how the service is being delivered. So for example, if there's already a service being delivered, are they experiencing any problems? Could we improve the service further so that we can get the trust, for example, of that client so that they don't switch to a competitor or maybe to a substitute? Are there other ways for us to be able to get more business from that client? That's a farmer, right? That's an account management specialist. It differs from a hunter, which is someone who would focus on getting clients, right? So there's a difference. And that's what you would see in job descriptions also, by identifying recurring themes, and then after that, studying the skills required for the role.